Ready to unlock some serious Brawl Stars upgrades? First things first, grab your Google Play gift card and gently scratch off the gray area on the back to reveal the redemption code. Be careful not to scratch too hard. You don't want to damage the code. Now, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. This is where the magic happens. Look for your profile icon, usually a picture or initial, in the top right-hand corner of the screen and tap it. A menu will slide out. Find and select the redeem option. It's usually located near the bottom of the menu. You'll now see a text field where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code you revealed earlier. Double check to make sure you've entered it correctly to avoid any errors. Tap the redeem button after the code is processed. You'll see a confirmation message showing that the gift card balance has been added to your Google Play account. Take note of your new balance. Next, launch Brawl Stars. Let's get those gems. Head over to the in-game shop. You'll see various gem packs and other items available for purchase. Select the gem pack that you want. Make sure you have enough Google Play credit to cover the cost. A Google Play purchase window will pop up, confirming your purchase amount and the payment method. Ensure your Google Play balance is selected as the payment method. Then, tap the buy button to complete the transaction. Congratulations! You've successfully redeemed your Google Play gift card and used it to get gems in Brawl Stars. Now go dominate the arena.